Need to check your bank balance, transfer money, or deposit a check, but you're nowhere near a branch. If you bank with Regions, you've got a powerhouse right in your pocket. We're talking about the Regions Bank mobile app, a super convenient tool that lets you manage your money securely on the go. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through the essential features of the app so you can bank smarter, not harder. First things first, once you've downloaded and logged into the app, you land on the home screen. This is your command center. You'll see an overview of your accounts, including balances and recent activity. If you need more detail on a specific account, just tap on it. You can review transactions, see pending activity, and easily access your full account and routing numbers, super handy when you need to set up a direct deposit. Now, let's talk about moving money. This is where the app really saves you time. Look for the Pay and Transfer section, usually found on the main navigation. From here, you can initiate transfers, quickly move money between your Regions accounts. Setting up a recurring transfer to your savings? Done in a few taps. Mobile deposit. No need to visit an ATM. Simply select Make a Deposit, snap a picture of the front and back of your endorsed check, and confirm the details. It's fast, secure, and available 24/7. Zelle. Need to pay back a friend? Zelle is integrated right into the app, letting you send money to people you know and trust using just their email or mobile number. Finally, for security and organization, make sure to explore the Profile and Settings menu. Here you can manage alerts to receive notifications for low balances or large transactions, helping you stay on top of your account. You can also manage lock-it card controls, which allow you to block certain types of transactions on your cards to help prevent fraud or curb spending. It gives you instant control over your plastic. The Regions Bank mobile app puts powerful banking tools right at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to manage your finances safely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.